You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more Latin expressions, vocabulary and expressions including this word, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. You'll want to learn from English pronunciation, meridiem, Latin, meridiem. Therefore, in English, sometimes it can also be pronounced as meridiem, meridiem, or meridium. Generally, in English, the pronunciation is as meridiem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.